An anecdote, beautiful wisdom. YouTube, copyright Noorul Hasan 72. It is said that a wise man found a boy at a creek, stream of water. The wise man noticed that the boy's camel was carrying 2 heavy bags on both sides of it. The wise man asked the boy about the content of the bags. The boy said, "One bag contains provisions, and the other bag contains soil, so that the weight is even on both sides." The wise man said, "Why do you not get rid of a bag of soil and balance the bag of supplies on both sides, so that you have reduced the load for the camel?" The boy said, "I liked your idea," so he did what the wise man had pointed out, then asked him, "Are you a tribal leader or a religious sheikh?" The wise man said, "Neither this nor that, but I am a man from among the common people." The boy said, "May God reproach you, neither one nor the other, and you teach me." Then he returned the camel's load as it was. Moral of the anecdote: some people do not discuss ideas, rather names and appearances. Take wisdom and don't which container it has come from. Look at what was said and do not look at who said it. End of the anecdote. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the videos of this channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. youtube.com. YouTube, copyright Noorul Hasan 72.